Department of English. I am working in BVBS Dhanamadevi Arts, Commerce and Science Women's College, Mudur. Our college is affiliated to Karnataka State Akkamahadevi Women's University, Vijaypur. In my previous video, I discussed indefinite article a and am. Today I am going to discuss definite article the. Okay. The is used before the specific objects or objects that both the speaker and the listener know. Okay. So as I said you, the is a definite article. It signifies noun whether specific or particular. So it is used the specific objects and or objects which the both speaker and the listener know. So example, can you give me the books on the table? So here the speaker, he particularly speaking about the books which are on the table. So it is the books on the table. And go and shut the door. Here the speaker, he particularly points towards the window. So that's why it is the window. Fine. So that the is specific. Then next one, before unique objects. The is used before unique objects. Unique means only one. Okay. So those are the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. These are unique things. So with these unique things, we should use definite article the. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. In this sentence, there are two the. One is the sun, another one is the east. With name of the directions also, we should use the. The south, the north, the east, the west. Okay. Next one, the earth is round. The earth is round. The sky is blue. The earth is wide. So with these unique things, we should use definite article the. Then we should use the before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans and desert. Okay. So the Ganga, name of the river, the Kaveri, the Krishna. Then name of the desert, the Sahara, the Thar. Then the Pacific, the Mount Everest, name of the mountains. With this, we should use definite article the. The Sahara is hot. The Sahara is hot. It is name of the desert. Then the Ganga is a holy river. It is being believed that the Ganga is a holy river. So with names of rivers, mountains, oceans and desert, okay, with this we should use the. Next, that the is used before the names of scriptures. Names of the scriptures, those are the Ramayana, okay, and the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Odyssey, the Iliad, okay. So these are the scriptures. So with this we should use the. So these are example. The Ramayana is written by Valmiki. Okay. We should not say like a Ramayana is written by Valmiki. We should say the Ramayana, and the Bible is a holy book. The Bible is a holy book. So with these scriptures we should use the. Then the is also used before the superlative degree. The is also used before superlative degree. Those are the best, the most, the tallest, the biggest. Okay. So with this ST, the words ST, these are superlative degrees. With this we should use the. Mumbai is the biggest city. Okay. The word EST, with this EST we should use the. Mumbai is the biggest city. Raju is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, tallest, biggest, largest, the best, the most. Okay, with this superlative degree we should use the. Next one, we should use the before musical instruments. Before the names of musical instruments like the flute, the violin, the tabla. Fine. So Sita plays the flute. Sita plays the flute. Rita plays the violin. Rita plays the violin. So the flute, the violin, the tabla. With musical instrument we should use a definite article the. Then we should use the before an adjective to denote a whole class. Okay, so before an adjective to denote a whole class like the old, the rich, the poor. So the rich should pay more taxes. It is completely a whole class. The rich should pay more taxes. Life can be very hard for the poor. Life can be very hard for the poor. So this the poor, the rich, the old, it denote a complete class. Then the is also used before plural countries or other regions. Okay, so most important thing, plural countries like the Netherlands. Yes, is there. It is plural. The United States of America. States, again it is plural. The Philippines. The America is wrong. The United States of America is correct. Fine. So we should use the before plural countries or other reasons. Okay. The United States of America, the Philippines, the Netherlands, these are all correct. Then the is also used before name of the newspapers. Okay, the is also used before the names of the newspapers, the Hindu, the Deccan Herald, and etc. My father reads the Hindu newspaper. My father reads the Hindu newspaper and I read the Deccan Herald. Okay, so before the names of newspaper we should use definite article the. Then again the is also used before the well-known buildings or work of art. Well-known buildings or work of art like the Taj Mahal, the Mona Lisa, the Gol Gumbaz, the India Gate. So these are the famous buildings. So with these famous buildings we should use the. Then there is also used before restaurants and hotels, big hotels. The Taj Hotel, the King's Herald, the Ashoka Hotel. So these are name of the restaurants and hotels. Let's see the example. I want the red apple. There are so many apples. Among them, I am particularly asking the apple which is in red color. So that time we should use the. I want the red color or red apple. The flowers on the table are nice. The flowers on the table are nice. So here there are two. One is the flowers and another one is the table. Okay, I am particularly talking about the flowers which are on the table. So the flowers. Okay, it is plural and particular. So it is the. And third one, it is the oldest building in the town. It is superlative degree, oldest. So it is the oldest building in the town. He has a son and a daughter. He has a son and a daughter. The daughter is a doctor. So here indefinite article, a son and a daughter. But again that man is talking about his daughter. Okay, second time particular. So the daughter is a doctor. The lamp is next to the desk. Okay, I am particularly talking about the lamp which is near to the desk. So it is particular, so it is the lamp. Then the cat is in the tree. Okay, and particularly talking about the cat which is in the tree. So it is the cat is in the tree. The movie is based on a real life incident. They're talking about particular movie which is based on a real life incident. So it is the movie. Next one, she got the first rank. Again superlative degree. First ST. So it is the first rank. So these are the examples of definite article. I hope all you understood these articles. Thank you.